Adobe Stock is a service that allows you to access millions of images and videos for use in your Creative Cloud projects. Stock can now be accessed directly within Adobe Muse in the same way you would Photoshop, Illustrator, or InDesign. Let's take a look at this feature in action. So I'm here in my Pigeon project. I'm working on a Pigeon website design, and I've got 2 images that I like, but I want a 3rd image. I want to introduce children into my design. So if I come over to my CC Library panel, you'll notice I've got a number of images that are here, and I can search for them in this search field if I'd like, if I know the name of what I'm looking for. What I can also do, though, is in this search drop-down on the right-hand side, I can select Adobe Stock. And then I can start using keywords that come to mind for the type of image I'm looking for. Let's say I put in boy, kick scooter, with a helmet, and hit return. Very quickly, a query goes out to Adobe Stock and brings back all of the images that are tagged with those keywords. So I can sort through and look for something that I have in mind. This one looks pretty good. And as I roll over the image, I can see that I can either purchase the image straight away, or I can download it for use in a preview mode in my project. I'm going to start by downloading it in a preview mode. I want to see how it works. So now I have cute boy riding scooter here as part of my library, and it's a JPEG file. I can press and drag it on the canvas here and just click to add it into my design. I can double click and actually change the crop on the image. You'll notice it has an Adobe Stock watermark. This is fine for my 4-position only design as I play around with the work. But if I did decide I wanted to use it in the finished design, I can really easily come in and buy access to that image. I'll come over to the CC Library panel, and when I hover over this particular image and right-click, I have the ability to buy the image. I'll go ahead and click to select that, and Adobe Stock is letting me know how many image licenses I may have purchased. I can click OK and go on in and buy additional licensing for the stock imagery as I use it in my project. I encourage you to give this new feature a try.